Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how to create an about page, okay? An about me page, an about us page. Okay, here you see on the top are the pages that you want people to find just before they start navigating your website. So we're going to click on the About Throne page. This is about webhostingthrone.com's blog. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and this is what happens. Okay, the video pops up and it will automatically play. Okay, it will automatically play.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jermaine of the Crown blog of webhostingthrone.com, which you will receive from us is great posts on how to start a blog.
I'm going to pause this real quick. I'm going to explain it. This is an YouTube video I uploaded and published, okay? And then I placed it on my About Me page. It explains who I am and what I do. That is I can't really say that's a new way of doing things, but that's just a way of things being done. I don't know if that people are really doing it or if it's a way of things are being done now. I'm doing it myself because it explains people. It'll explain to people without them having to read. Not to say people will not read. There are some people who will read information about your About Me page, but this is just more convenient for people to review just before they navigate throughout your website. You're explaining to people about who you are in this video. So I do suggest you like right now I used a Logitech webcam to record this. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of low quality, but you can use your iPhone. I don't have an iPhone myself, but many people do, and it'll be more clear, more high def, and upload it and just explain who you are on your About Me page. And I put this on autoplay, so it automatically starts up when people visit my About Me Throne page. Okay, so how did I do this? Basically, I'm going to go ahead and go to edit, because it's already published. This page is already published. I've already created my About Me page. I'm just going to run down on the things that I've done. Okay, basically what I did was publish my video on YouTube, got the code and copied it and pasted it here in the text area. I'm going to go to text, press the text button right here, and take a look at this. And that's all it is. I put information about who I am. I use, just like I said, I use the autoplay equals one piece of code. You can use this code yourself. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. This piece of code right here, and I'm going to highlight. Let me see. This autoplay one I use to automatically play my video for my audience who want to know more about me. Okay, so that is basically how you create an About Me page. And remember to, once you what you do is you go to new, go to page, it'll take you here, put in your title, fill out your body section and press publish. Right now I've already published it, so I'll be pressing update. So when you publish it, it'll go to the front of your page in the tab area, in the page area right here. Okay, and then it will look like this.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jermaine.
Okay, so I thank you all for joining me, and this is how to create an About Me page.